Welcome to OEMup, the cloud manufacturing ERP built for Indian SMEs. Let's walk through how to register a new company and log in for the first time. Click Sign in to open the login screen, then select Login instead, or Register to bring up the registration form. Enter your company name and contact name. Add your mobile number, then select it from the suggestions or type it in directly. Enter your email address, then click Send Code to receive a one-time password. You'll see a success message confirming the OTP has been sent, along with a 4-digit code field. Switch over to your inbox. You'll receive an email titled OTP for Register in OEMup from OEMup with your verification code. Copy the code and enter it into the 4 boxes. A green checkmark confirms it's verified. Click Register to submit your request. You'll see a confirmation. Your request has been submitted and is pending review. Once approved, you'll get an email to set your account password. Check your inbox again for the Company Registered Successfully email, then click Confirm to proceed. Create your password and confirm password. OEMup checks it live against the rules, minimum 8 characters, a number, uppercase and lowercase letters, and a special symbol, or you can click Generate Password for a strong one automatically. Once your password is set, you are taken to the login screen. Enter your registered email and password, then click Login. On first login, OEMup walks you through a quick setup wizard, company details, regional settings, item price, and working hours. Your contact name, company name, email, and mobile number are pulled in automatically from registration and can't be edited here. Add your PAN, GST, website, and upload your company logo. Click Save. You'll see Company updated successfully. Switch to the Company Address tab. Give the address a title, then fill in line 1, area, city, state, country, and PIN code. Many fields offer smart auto-suggestions as you type. Add a contact name and contact number for this address, then click Save. With company details complete, move on to regional settings to configure your currency, date format, and localization preferences for the account. Next, set up your default item price configuration, the base pricing rules OEMup will use across your catalog. Finally, define your organization's standard working hours, the default shift timings your production and workforce modules will reference. Once all 4 steps are complete, click through to finish. You'll land on your OEMup dashboard, fully registered, logged in, and ready to go. That's how you register a new company and log into OEMup.